What we are talking about is a Supreme Court case that is being heard currently right now. Arguments are underway, and that is between Childs v. Salazar. And this court case has big ramifications because it addresses the controversial topic of conversion therapy. What we're going to talk about today is the reason for this case, the facts of this case, as well as who this case benefits, who this case hurts, and see and deconstruct how her argument, which her name, the petitioner is Kaylee Childs, sorry. We're going to talk about how her argument does not make sense or have a legal merit regarding the ground she's arguing on, which is under the First Amendment, freedom of speech. So we're going to go through a lot of that today because this is an important case. This is an important case for children to be protected from unnecessary trauma and harm. It's a case that also kicks in the door a little bit when it comes to LGBTQ plus rights, identity, and existence. And it's a case that sets precedent for all the states if the conversion therapy ban in Colorado is then nullified. So we have to take this case very seriously because it affects children. It affects all children. Even if a parent suspects that their child could be LGBTQ+, they can drop them into conversion therapy involuntarily, even under suspicion, and traumatize their kid through erratic and disgusting and horrendous practices that have been sought to eradicate homosexuality from a human being. So we're going to also go through a lot of those topics as well. The methods used for conversion therapy, everything that goes from what Childs is talking about in her petition to the extremes of it that have happened that we do need to acknowledge that this case can set precedent for to exist in our society to harm children. So isn't it funny, though, that the party, the right-wing conservative religious Christian party, who is all about protecting children and not harming children, are now underway in the Supreme Court arguing that we need to have conversion therapy that has been scientifically proven to harm and traumatize kids? It's the dichotomy. It's the hypocrisy that always exists in the right-wing media, in the right-wing aura, in the right-wing of the party. It's sad to see that these people that are touting and running and getting elected off protecting children then get elected and choose to harm children.